Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to find the second largest number in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So we know how to find the largest value. We use the max function and the value is found. See this video for more details. But if we need to find the second largest value, then we use the large function. We enter the function into the cell. As the first argument, we use the range of data in which we will search for the second largest value, and the second argument is the number of the largest value, that is, number 2. Press enter and the second largest value is found. As you may have guessed, this is the way to find the third largest value, the fourth, and so on. If we need to highlight this value additionally, then select the entire range, click Conditional Formatting, New Rule, then use a formula to determine which cell to format and enter this formula. This formula sequentially compares all the values in the range until it finds the second largest value, as we specified in the formula. Now select the fill color, click Format, go to the Fill tab and select the color. Click OK, then OK again, and the second largest value is highlighted. As you can see, there are two second largest values in this range, which would take us a very long time to find and would be inconvenient to determine manually. That's all, now you know more. Thanks for watching.